Let's share some food using fractions. Okay, I have 4 friends to share with, which means I need 4 pieces, right? What if I cut it like this? Here, here, and here. Is that gonna work? I don't think so, because then I have smaller pieces on the ends and bigger pieces in the middle. Then we're not all gonna get the same piece. It needs to be fair, remember? We all have to get the same amount. Pizza is a circle. The easiest way to cut a circle into equal pieces is to cut it in the middle. All my cuts are gonna go through the middle. So watch, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna cut the pizza this way, and then I'm gonna go over here, and I'm still gonna go through this middle point, and I'm gonna cut the pizza this way. Now look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that are all the same size. All right, I got my pizza all cut. We all get the same amount. Are you ready? Want to know the fraction we get for each? Let's see what the fraction would look like. I don't get the whole pizza anymore. We each get the same size piece. I get 1, Mr. Bright gets 1, and our 2 friends get 1 too. I'm going to eat this piece, and I'm going to figure out what fraction of the pizza I get to eat. All right, to write a fraction, we need a couple of things. We need 3 things for our fraction. We need something called a fraction bar that looks like this. Our fraction bar goes in the middle, and we have a bottom number and we have a top number. Our bottom number is called the denominator, and it tells me how many pieces I cut my pizza into. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna put the number 4 on the bottom. I also need a top number. That top number is called my numerator, and my numerator tells me how many pieces I got. Did I get to eat all 4 pieces? No, I only get to eat 1 because I shared it with my friends. So my numerator is going to be 1. Now to say this fraction, I'm not gonna say it's 1/4 because that doesn't make any sense. The way that I say a fraction, let's write it. I would say I get 1/4. I have to add that TH to the end. I get 1/4 of the pizza. Is pizza the only thing I can cut into fractions? Does it have to be a circle for me to cut it into fractions? Imagine you came home from school and your mom made a pan of brownies. Is this a circle? No, it's a rectangle. Can I eat the whole pan myself? I don't think your mom would let you do that. I think she wants you to share it with your family. So let's use fractions to divide our brownies fairly. All right, I'm going to share this pan of brownies with 8 people. I can't eat the whole thing. So I have this rectangle, and I need to cut it into 8 pieces, and all the pieces need to be the same. The easiest way for me to do that is to actually cut the brownies in half first. So I'm going to find half. Now I have half, okay? But I need 8 pieces, I only have 2. So that means that each half is going to cut into 4 pieces, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces. I'm gonna cut this side into 4 pieces. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces to share. Let's see if we can figure out what our fraction would be. We need 3 things to write our fraction. We need a fraction bar, we need a top number, and we need a bottom number. Let's find my bottom number first. It's called my... That's right, it's a denominator. How many pieces did I cut my brownie into? I cut it into 8. Very good. Now we need to write our top number, which is called a... Very good, it's our numerator. How many pieces did I get to eat of the brownie? I got to eat 1. Let's see how we would say this fraction. 1/8. Remember, it's not 1/8, it's 1/8. I got to eat an 1/8. You know the best thing about fractions? They're pretty yummy. Look for other fractions around your house too. And if you like what you see, check out my other fraction videos too. Bye guys!